Hi, my name is Hala, and today I will be walking you through how to enable alphanumeric in order for your students to check into class. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on Management and click on Courses. Then you're going to want to click on the name of your course. Now you'll click on Roster at the top of your screen. This is going to show you all the students who are enrolled in your course. By default, it should have all of your students using the technology method and the alphanumeric as off. If you need to toggle on the alphanumeric for one student, what you can go ahead and do is toggle off the technology method, whether it says QR, sound, or GPS here, and toggle on the alphanumeric. If you would like to toggle on alphanumeric for the entire class, you have the ability to do that as well. So what you can do is toggle off the technology method here at the top and toggle on alphanumeric for everyone. This will automatically save, and this will be automatically applied to all the students in your course. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.